Now you hold Shift plus Alt and then use the right arrow to push it around the circle there. Okay, now if you want it on the inside of the circle, you can do this. Let's make another circle here. Duplicate that circle, so I have two. Make one green. Make it slightly smaller. Hold Shift, click on the other circle, so you have them both highlighted. Then hit Control Shift A, and you can use this button to center them vertically, and then this button centers them horizontal. Okay, done with this. Now while they're still highlighted, go to Path and Difference. So the inner circle disappears with everything that it was touching on the outer circle. So now we need more text. We highlight them both like we did before, and text, put on path. So now it's on the inside. Hold Shift, Alt, and arrow button to move it around. You can get in between letters and hit Alt and the arrow button to space it more. Okay, so get it where you want it. And now it's still text form, so we want to change it from text to an object. So object, or we want to put a path to the text, to the object. There. So now we can get rid of this, and the text stays put.